Indeed, Nostra Aetate invites us to view every religion as a quest for truth and to see every sincere seeker of God as one who reflects His divine mystery. Because our Christian faith has its roots in God's plan of salvation, which began with His chosen people, the Church has a special love and reverence for the Jewish people. At the same time, the world needs more than ever the powerful witness of men and women of all religions living together in unity, friendship, and cooperation. In this true way, we can work jointly to achieve the peace, justice, and reconciliation so desperately needed today. May we therefore never lose hope that a new world without division is possible. I extend a warm welcome to all English-speaking pilgrims and visitors taking part in today's event. Especially those coming from England, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Uganda, Zimbabwe, Australia, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, South Korea, Canada, the United States of America. In particular, I wish to express my gratitude to the presence of the leaders and representatives of non-Christian religions. May God, who created all men and women, pour into our hearts a spirit of fraternal love, that we may recognize the imprint of God's goodness and beauty in every human being.